Hello everyone, this is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry, and I am here today to share with you another update about the jobs which are there for you to grab in the market. And today I'm going to talk about Vistara Airlines, which is offering jobs for cabin crew for male as well as female candidates. So as you can see on the screen, these interviews are going to take place in Bengaluru and Mumbai, and we'll be sharing that link with you where you can find all the details about how you can apply. Let's first have a look at the eligibility criteria. So you should be minimum 12th pass with at least 60% score in the 12th exams. You should be an Indian national with valid passport or a PAN card or Aadhaar card. Your communication skills, both Hindi and English, should be excellent. The height requirement in case of female is 155 centimeter and in case of male is about 170 centimeter. You should not have any visible tattoos or marks in any part of your body. Your weight should be in proportion to your height, but the BMI range for female and male is given on the screen. The age limit in case of freshers, minimum 18 years and maximum 27 years. And in case of experienced cabin crew, it should be minimum 2 years experience of working in any domestic or international airline, and maximum age limit is 30 years. So you can also grab this dream opportunity of joining the airline as a cabin crew. And if you want to get more information, all you need to do is just join our community of students by joining one of our courses, and we will share all the information with you, how you can apply for these jobs, where the interviews are happening, and how you can become eligible and learn about international grooming standards and personality development also. Just go on our website on the online course page and you will find all the details. Join one of the course, and we look forward to seeing you in the classes.